Be blessed by the divine. Hemanth, thank you for asking this question. This is a video for you. Why is divinity called as Jyothi, and can we realize it at the Ajna Chakra? This is your question. What is divinity? If you analyze our own body, for instance, the body is made up of millions of cells. Each cell is made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of atoms. Atoms are made up of either energy particles, electrons, protons, neutrons. These can be further subdivided into subatomic energy particles, Akash or Akashic energy particles. Where could these be and what could be the composition of these? Our Siddhas analyzed it and realized through intuition, through their own inner travel, that an atom consists of about 99% empty space. Today, scientists have discovered it and acknowledging it. And of course, the latest Nobel Prize winner also talks about 95% of the universe being dark matter. This dark matter is what our Rishis and Siddhas called as the divine matter or divinity. This is the almighty force. Due to its self-compressive nature, this all-pervasive, all-penetrative, all-surrounding pressure force, which is also all-knowing, therefore superconscious, evolves as subatomic energy particles and functions in various forms, combining together, forming masses. And when our Siddhas realized this, they had to propose some way by which they can help explain what they saw in their mind as intuition. And therefore they suggested the word Jyothi, which literally means a light in the lamp. How the light in the lamp glows, and there is an outer brightness and there is an inner darkness. So when you see the light glowing in a lamp, an oil lamp for instance, or a candle for instance, you begin to recognize that light surrounds darkness. Black hole is also like that. In any star, at the center of the star, there is darkness. But then on the outer surface of such grouping together of energy particles, there is enormous amount of light. And scientists of course call this as absence of light is darkness. But our Siddhas said that presence of the divine dark fluid is the darkness, and such a divine fluid is there even within light, even within fire, even within water, even within earth and air, and even within an energy particle. And therefore they propose this word Jyothi. Can we realize this divinity through Ajna? Ajna is the starting point for realization of this divinity. The mind begins to recognize the life force at the Ajna Chakra. And when you start to meditate, the brain goes to the alpha level of frequency between 8 and 13 cycles per second. And from there, when you meditate over the Sahasrara Dhurya Chakra, it remains at the alpha. And further at the Dhuryadita Chakra, it goes down to the theta level of frequency between 4 and 7 cycles per second. And further goes down to 0.5 and 3 cycles per second at the delta level. Only at that level, you can begin to realize the divinity as Jyothi. Thank you, Hemanth, for inspiring this video. I will, in the next video, answer your second question. Looking forward to meeting you in the next video. Be blessed by the divine.